We are out here chasing longbeards. It is season 4 here in Wisconsin. Set up with John. I got the bow, he's got the shotgun, so hopefully if we can get our eyes on some birds, we'll get one on the ground here. Last season, turkeys beat us. We really did not see much and definitely did not kill anything, so that was a bummer, but we're back out here again. It is a warm one. It's about 65 degrees right now. Very humid. We're both sweating, hiking up the hill to get in here. But we were supposed to have rain in the forecast, but it looks like it's going to hold off, so hopefully gobblers will be moving. See what happens. Hey, there's no comments. I'm just happy to be here. Let's go. He's down. Let's go. 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 Let's go.
I had a baby.
Zipper broke. That's the problem. Let's go, baby. Oh man, it has been tough. It has been tough, and we finally got a gobbler on the ground. And he's a beauty. Oh man, he was funneling right down into the corner. I wasn't sure if we were gonna get a shot at him. Look at that. Look at that, what a beauty of a bird. Nice beard on him, big, look at that paintbrush, man. That is a thick beard. He is soaking wet. What a beautiful bird. What a beautiful bird. Nice hooks on him. Let's go. We finally got it done, boys. Woo! All right, so I'm not totally sure, but is this a double bearded tom? Would you classify that as a double beard?
They're separate.
They look split.
They're very close. It's clear split. We didn't do anything to them.
Let me know down in the comments if that's a double beard turkey officially, or if it's technically a single beard. What a beauty, dude.
I told you that beard was dangling coming over the hill, man.
He's a good bird. Thought it was that hen again for a minute.
I did too when I was...
When you first said there's a bird, I'm like, oh, probably just that same hen. Well, we got her done. Beauty of a turkey. Thanks for coming out, John. Super excited. This is my second quarantine bird, thankfully. First Tom, second one was a nice little Jake, but we're back home in the southern Wisconsin area and got out last week and really had a hard time. We had some great footage of one bird, but that was about it, and nothing really came in range. And so we figured we'd buy a tag for this season, and couldn't work out much better than that. First night out, a couple hours in, I don't even know what time it is, probably 7 o'clock. We only hunted 2.5 hours. Bird shows up. Great time with a good friend, you know, can't beat it. That's what hunting's all about. So, heckin' beauty of a bird. We'll get some pictures, get them cleaned up, and we'll get out of here. Thanks for tuning along, everybody, and hopefully you'll be seeing John's bird hit the ground here shortly. Thanks for watching.
Anything in the field was mine, for the record. That was said at the beginning of this hunt.
Well, what can I say? I'm a liar.